Xiaomi 15 Pro is the best flagship phone you can buy in just a couple of days. Today I'm gonna give you the overall camera review of the phone. I've got a lot of sample photos straight out of the Xiaomi 15 Pro's camera, not edited, not processed, just raw photos from the beast. So here is your first look at the very first photo from the Xiaomi 15 Pro, captured from zoom lens at 5x zoom. Just look at the quality of the camera and how clear and crispy the photo is. You can see every detail and each single hair of cat is focused in foreground. The edge detection is really to the point. To be honest, it doesn't seem like a mobile's camera result. Looks like Xiaomi is really bringing the game up and it's gonna give some tough time to Apple. Looking at the second photo, this is from telephoto lens, not zoomed in. This is clearly captured with lights off in the room and no words to say here. Sometimes when you capture photos from any flagship of nowadays in night time, it still leaves some glowing part in the photos where lights get little extra glow, but Xiaomi 15 Pro is trying its best here. We can see everything is super clear in the fridge, the bottles and all the stuff, and look how cinematic the light shades are on the child's face, and every subject is focused properly, not ruining the edges and that stuff, really mind-blowing work here. Now coming to the main camera lens of the Xiaomi 15 Pro, the wide angle, don't confuse it with ultra wide. Again, this one is also performing really well and colors are vibrant. Shadows are deep where they meant to be deep in no light areas, and this is a great photo. Another one from same lens giving some nice blur in the background, and these photos look really cinematic to me. I hope there is no filter or post-processing applied on these. This one again from main lens, the sunshine on the river is looking really awesome. You can see the glow is really cool. Now coming to the telephoto camera sensor, looking at this insane image, there is of course sun in front of these two people and its glow from the water really gives like HDR look. You might know that in PUBG when we turn on HDR effect, the sun gives same kind of reflection in river, and that looked really awesome, and same is the case here. The colors of face and sunlight through the hair is on another level. Another zoom lens sample here. No doubt if a non-tech person would see these photos, he would definitely say that these are captured from some pro level DSLR camera. I mean, look at the details, the focus and colors, no competition. So that were all the samples of Xiaomi 15 Pro, which is launching on 29th October along with Xiaomi 15 Vanilla variant. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, so stay tuned for more updates and I'll see you in the next one.